Hey guys, Luke here, back with another video, and today we are going to be reviewing grilled chicken marinated in Italian dressing. So, I haven't been doing a lot of videos in a while because I just kind of want to take breaks. But now I'm back, ready to go, and let's try this. This is really good. This is some of the best chicken I've ever had. Yeah, it's really good. And alright, here. I forgot to say that I have like pasta, I guess. I'm not too sure what it's called. So let's try this. This is really good. This is good. And this is broccoli. I've had it before, but I'll try it. Well, it tastes like broccoli. Not too sure how to describe broccoli, but yep, everything. Thumbs up from me. Lucas, signing off.